in this video, I'll show you how to connect and how to use a USB drive with your Vizio TV. It's actually very easy. So this drive needs to be formatted in a format that your TV is able to read. And the most common one, and the one I suggest, is FAT32 or exFAT. In my opinion, I mean, from my own experience, these have worked the best for me. So put your files over here using your PC or Mac and then connect it in the back of your Vizio TV. This is what we're doing right now. So the USB port is mostly located on the back and on the side. So you see, in my case, it's the first port right over here. Maybe yours is lower over here or there. All right, so let me connect the stick. All right, once it's connected, let's go on the screen. So right away, once you connect it, you're gonna get this screen. Take your remote control and you can select whatever you wanna do. So do you wanna listen to music, watch some videos that are on your stick, or watch some pictures? Over here, I have selected pictures. You can go ahead and go in different folders that are on your USB stick. You're gonna see them there. Select the one you want, and the pictures or the videos, if you have selected videos, will appear here. And you just have to select one on the right side. You can view full screen, do whatever you want, okay? If it was a video, it could play. And yeah, this is about it. Now, as you see here, unfortunately, you cannot see a preview for every files. So if I select the first one and select full screen, well, resolution not supported, unfortunately. So this could be a limitation of your television. This is a 720p Vizio TV, so it's not a really great one, to be honest with you. So if you have a 4K television, you may be able to display higher formats, bigger formats. This is just something you need to keep in mind. So this is about it. You see, you can go back like this, select videos. I don't have any videos on that USB key, but yeah, you're gonna see them there and you can select them and watch your show. Once you're done, simply remove the key, the USB drive from the back of your TV, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.